Sorry guys, hope y'all doing good this morning. I'm saying sorry cause I ain't getting no video for y'all, but I'll let y'all take a look at the yard that we just did. Did this one, size. I don't know, y'all remember this, the video I did the bushes on. This the back. And little Desmond did the back. Put some stripes in there, y'all. Alright, y'all. I try to get y'all some video of the next one. It's hard when you're trying to beat this rain. You ain't thinking about video, and you thinking about trying to hurry up and knock before you can get to all the other yards before it started raining. Look at it. Sun trying to come out, but got these clouds. So hopefully I can get y'all some video of it. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm gonna get y'all video this time. Alright, we call this house the little house in big yard. I'll let y'all take a look at it and see why we call it that. The little house in the big yard. So show you the back. Yeah, that's a big yard. When the rain hit this grass, it shoots so quick. It ain't too bad this time. It ain't too bad. almost done here. Just gotta blow off. We finished this little part right here. And why we use the push lawnmower for this area, because this grass right here, where the ground gets so wet, like really wet, and the lawnmower leaves big tracks in it, so that's why we use the push lawnmower. It's like all the water come from that up there and just come all right up in here. All right, let us blow, and then we're gonna get out of here. All right, here goes the front. And I'm gonna show y'all the back. All right, guys, here go the back. It get really wet back here because the water just come all the way back here. Stop right in that little area right over there. All right, guys, we're gonna head to the next one. Try to get you some video. Peace. What's up, guys? I hope y'all had a good day. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, and y'all have a good day.